Good morning, this is Drew Page. Welcome to the Drew Page channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Black Friday stock market sell-off and the impact of the new variant. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video to help with the algorithm. So hopefully it'll get out to some other people and we can find out more information about this. But when I went to bed last night and was getting up this morning, fixing the coffee and all that, I was not expecting to turn on the television and see that the stock market was plummeting. The Dow at this point, and it's about 7 a.m. this morning, is down around 800 points, and the S&P is down around 70 some points. Everything's red. Bitcoin is down about $4,000. So things are just on sale today, and the reason that they're giving for this sell-off is that the South African COVID variant it has been identified. And so what does that mean? Well, that means that people are afraid of more shutdowns. They're afraid of more restrictions. Apparently, this variant it impacts the protein cells so that it may get around the vaccine. So there's all this uncertainty again is what they're telling us. And so because of that, this morning there's a big market sell-off. Now, is this sell-off truly just because of the variant that's been identified in South Africa? Who knows? I mean, there's obviously been strong inflationary pressures. There's been, the treasury yield is at 1.5, so it's come down some. There's obviously, uncertainty in regards to the debt ceiling and the Build Back Better plan that President Biden has put forward. So there's a lot of other moving parts, and perhaps this is just a catalyst for people to be able to reasonably make a sell-off. But at any event, the market is way down. So what should you do? Well, as far as what I'm planning on doing, my strategy doesn't really change. Anytime there's a red day, I take the largest number, which is the Dow component. And because I don't have the money that, Graham Stephan and me, Kevin, have to be able to dump hundreds of thousands of dollars in the market at one time, since I'm on the come up, my plan is in the largest number, which is the Dow number. Anytime there's a red day, I put whatever that largest number is into the stock market that day. And that way, I'm not putting everything in right now because I don't know whether there's going to be a lower market day, on Monday, or if this is, a catching a falling knife type situation. But what I did learn from 2020 was that I should have been buying all the way down because I was waiting and waiting and waiting for a bottom. And then by the time the bottom hit, it started going back up and I missed out on the bottom. So now I have my rule about red days. So every red day, it doesn't matter, even if it's a $50 red day, I'll put $50 in the market that day. If it ends up being $1,000 today, then I'm going to put $1,000 in the market today. And I will do that each and every red day that there is. So that's how I handle the strategy like this, and how I'll be looking to do this. And obviously, get your own advice and do your own thing. This isn't stock advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have found over this last year in 2021 that it has worked out pretty well, that on any red day, putting money in has helped my portfolio significantly. So I'm hoping that this strategy will work for this Black Friday market sell-off as well. So what do you think about that? Is that something that you would do as well? Do you have a different plan? Why do you think the market is selling off? Do you think it's solely because of this variant identification, or do you think that's just the catalyst for why people are doing it? Put it down in the comments if you agree. If you're going to do a different strategy in purchasing, please put it in the comments, because I'd like to learn from you just as much as I hope you'd like to hear from me. I'll be the first to admit that I don't know everything. I barely know anything about these things. I'm still kind of learning. I've only been studying this stuff for about 3 years. So, I've got a ways to go. So, maybe some of you more sophisticated and have more experience with that type of stuff. So please put in the comments what you think. And if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like this video and share it with people. And I'd love to hear your feedback. So have fun with the market sell-off. I hope you buy a lot of stuff and get some good deals. It's better to buy into the market than buying a $300 television or some air fryer or whatever they're advertising on TV. Put money in things that's going to make you money, not things that's just going to cost you money. So until next time, stay tuned.